Hello guys, I am Rahim. I'm a software engineer and I'm a content creator, and I am the one who behind this Leeflytic, the AI powered developer intelligence platform. And this is a small introduction about me, and you can find more information about me on LinkedIn, who I am and what is my experience is, right? So basically I'm a JavaScript developer, and also I love to create a content, etc. And also I'm teaching whatever I know through my own YouTube channel. So you can find it my YouTube channel. It is basically Rahim's View. You can search Rahim's View. You can find the channel. If you like our content, you can basically subscribe our channel. This video, guys, I'm mainly focusing on. So maybe you don't know that what is this Leeflytic, the AI powered developer intelligence platform. So very curious, right? So what is this? What is behind this? And what kind of a benefit we have? What kind of a futures basically we have in this Leeflytic develop AI platform, right? This is basically very important to know that because the stats are basically based on your repositories, right? Okay, let's go one by one then, right? Okay, what is this Leeflytic? Yes, Leeflytic is basically this is a brand name I come up with, right? The Leaflytic is basically the AI powered developer intelligence platform. So this is basically AI combined getting analytic data from your repository. We know that as a software engineer or engineering team, if you are sometimes project manager, so we want to know that what happening inside our project. So that's the only intention we have to bring this solution. Our AI powered developer intelligence platform is basically analyze your repository and figure it out what are the problem behind in your project, and also who is contribute to what, and also code complexity and vulnerabilities, and also the dependency issues. All these things you can able to get from our AI powered developer intelligence platform. Not only that, whatever the features come in the future, all these are basically enabled into your account as well. As I told earlier, this platform is basically for the developers, small and large software engineer teams, and the project managers. So basically whoever working on a code, whoever writing a code, then this is the right product you should have in your site. After analyze the repository, you can get the report as well. So that report you can able to share with your engineering team for the furthermore development or furthermore improvement or fix, or else you can share that report with your clients to get a trust built for your code base. But at the moment you can able to generate or export only one particular format, which is basically PPT only, right? So rest of the things are on the development stage. It will comes on time, right? So these are the features basically have in our AI powered developer intelligence platform, right? And the second thing is my repository is safe if I basically perform the analysis, right? So basically guys, in our platform we have two options. You can basically perform the analysis through GitHub repositories or version control. So you know that version control system is basically many version control systems are there. A few of them are like GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket. So these are the few things. And if you have any public repository, you can perform with the repository link, or else if you have any private repositories or your own private account, then you can able to connect to your repository or version control cloud, whatever the things providers I have mentioned like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and simply you can pick the repository and the branch and perform the analysis. That is very simple, guys. It's very simple and very easy to perform the analysis, and after that rest of the thing will take care. Analysis will happen in our environment, and after that it will show the result in your dashboard. The very important part, it was basically, do you store our repositories or a project source files in our environment? Absolutely no. Why? Because I'm saying is because the people are very curious. I mean, even the project manager, you are as a company if you are a developer, you are curious if my repository is available on our environment. So am I exposing my project? No, basically. So what happened then behind the scene, right? So I will tell you that. So what happened is basically after you perform the analysis, so basically when you are performing the analysis, of course you must need to connect your repositories or a link you must need to give. At the time we will perform the analysis against that particular repositories, right? But we are not keep storing any of your project in our environment. Why? Because we don't require that particular repositories or your projects. After performing the analysis, we are completely deleting your entire repositories from our environment. It will happen after the analysis is completed, right? But now you have a questions, then how these code snippets are showing in our platform. So how it is possible? Yes, answer to that questions, basically in the analysis, in the mid of the analysis, whatever the problems we are identifying, whatever the vulnerabilities or the code complexities we are identifying, those are basically get inserted to database, right? So that is where pulling over from there and showing we are on your dashboard, right? And also guys, if you want to delete that also, you can in that particular dashboard you can click and delete it entirely, because we are not doing this soft deleting. We are basically deleting completely. We are not basically hiding from you, but we are deleting completely from our database, right? So that means your repository data is not retained in our environment or a database. You are basically very safe here. And also guys, when you talk about this how this basically working, and I told you what happening, let's talk about this pricing plan. So very people are very confusing with this pricing plan, because let me explain that. So pricing plan is basically guys, I do like to introduce another free plan option, but due to some problems I can't introduce, because when we are performing the analysis, this is taking a lot of resources, right? So I'm paying for servers, etc. So it will very difficult for us to give a free the free version you to try without giving any option. But we give options to use or explore our platform with a free trial, guys. So free trial, you don't need to pay a single rupees for the 7 days. We are offering the free trial for 7 days only at the moment, but after the 7-day of period time, payment will be get deducted from your account. So basically it's not a big amount, so it's a small amount, $50, $15, not 50, it's a $15, right? We are only at the moment early startup plan, we are only giving for $15. And of course, yes, you can subscribe it. So basically when you are sign up with our platform, first of all you need to pick the plan. So there is an option called 7-day free trial. You can click and check out, and you must need to enter the debit card. Of course, without entering your payment detail, you can't get that free trial version, right? So then you must need to give that option, and then after that for 7 days you can perform the analysis, right? So that is the option we have given. And in different video I will create how to basically sign up account to perform the analysis and generating output. I will record it on a different video and I will upload here. Then you can basically see clearly what is happening behind the scenes, how this analysis works, and how we are seeing the output. All these things you can able to see in that particular video, right? Nowadays you know that we all are normally working with the AI, and many people are doing a vibe coding, and lot more problems are come here sometimes, and some of your secret codes are get exposed. Some we don't know exactly what kind of a problem or what kind of vulnerabilities we are introducing to the application or your project, and we exactly don't know what happening, right? But a platform like our Leeflytic AI powered developer intelligence platform will help you to identify all of these and prevent those issues you are doing, right? So this is what our main goal is. So we, of course, yes, we are still on the phase 1 is basically release, but lot of features we are basically planning to introduce to the Leeflytic AI power developer intelligence platform. Right now, you clearly know that what are the benefit you will get if you are using our AI power developer intelligence platform. If you are not yet tried our platform, just Google it, leaflytic.com. You can find our official website. There you can see all the information related to Leaflytic AI powered developer intelligence platform, how it's working, and the FAQ sections also there. You can able to see the FAQs, answers, questions and the answers. Suppose if your question doesn't have in that FAQ, just send me an email. That's official mail also there, leaflytic@gmail.com. Suppose if you want instant reply, just send a LinkedIn connection request and just connect with me and I will clear your doubt. Then guys, I will catch you on the next video then.